There are now 2 Australians fighting drug charges that carry a mandatory death penalty in Malaysia. An aged care nurse, Emma Laguili, has been charged after more than 1 kilogram of methamphetamine was allegedly found in the car that she was driving. It follows the arrest of Perth man Dominic Bird for alleged drug trafficking in Kuala Lumpur in March this year. Southeast Asia correspondent Zoe Daniel reports.
34-year-old Emma Louise Laguili from Melbourne had been living in Perth, where she was working as a nurse and making regular trips as a tourist to Malaysia. It's charged that she was in the driver's seat of a car searched by police on the 17th of July, when they allegedly found 1,005 grams of methamphetamine. She says she didn't know drugs were in the car.
She does not know exactly, but she is told that the drug was found in the back seat behind the front passenger, and she was a driver. The car did not belong to her, neither did it belong to the boyfriend, as far as she knows.
Her Nigerian boyfriend and another man apparently left the scene and have not been located by police. However, a third Nigerian man who was in the car has also been charged under Section 39B of Malaysia's Dangerous Drugs Act. The Act imposes a mandatory penalty of death by hanging if convicted. The Australian's lawyers have warned that she's on the verge of a breakdown. They also say her rights have been breached because she was physically assaulted by police after her arrest and has been denied access to a doctor and medication for depression.
One is that she is suffering from severe depression. She's undergoing medication, 2 sorts of drugs she is being prescribed, and none of these drugs are available to her during detention. And in spite of the Australian High Commission officers having been promised by the police on the 19th that they will be taking her to seek medical attention, none of those things happened until today.
The charges will remain tentative until the results of chemical tests on the drugs come back. In the meantime, Emma Laguili will be held at a women's prison outside Kuala Lumpur. Perth man Dominic Bird is also expected to appear in court this week to request more regular access to his lawyers. He's been charged under the same section of the Act and will also face the death penalty if convicted of attempting to sell 167 grams of methamphetamine to undercover police. His trial is expected to begin in October. Zoe Daniel, Lateline.